Hey folks, welcome to another edition of Toolbox Tuesday. Today I want to take a look at Fieldpiece's wireless charge and air test kit. You know, typically we use our manifold gauges and psychrometers. We have a couple different tools that we have to use when it comes to properly charging a system or diagnosing refrigerant charges that we may have. Fieldpiece offers this wireless charge air test kit that I think is pretty cool. I've taken the liberty of taking it out of the box, and it has this cool little carrying case that it comes with. So when you start, the very first thing that you want to do is, you can see on the phone here, there's a job link app that you want to go ahead and download first. That app is going to sync up with the products and materials inside of the case, so that when we're doing our diagnostic charge and our refrigerant charge on our system, we can go ahead and look at that. Now, of course, it doesn't have hoses with it, so we can't add refrigerant to the system, but we can definitely take a diagnostic report, and you'll see on the phone a little bit later how clear and concise that diagnostic report is. So once you open up the bag and take everything out, it's got a couple things that are pretty cool. So these are going to hook up into our supply and our return psychrometer probes there. They've got these little magnets to kind of help them grab on, and a very flexible end where we can maneuver and get that up into whatever area we need them to go in. You've got your power buttons, and then you're going to have to turn them over and install the batteries on the back side. I've taken the liberty to go ahead and do that already, but make sure that you install those batteries, and the kit does come with those batteries. These are going to hook up to your service ports, your service valves there. Again, very simple, very easy to hook up. They don't have low loss connections on there, so if you disconnect them, especially on that high side, you might get a little blast of refrigerant. So make sure that you have on gloves or something to protect your hands, just in case. Your power button, and also your place for your batteries. The psychrometer tubes and the pressure probes also have a blue and a red indicator, so that you can keep everything color coordinated and synchronized for your high side and your low side of the system. That way you'll know kind of what's going on with your refrigerant there. And then lastly, you're going to have a set of temperature probes to complete these are going to go on your liquid line and your suction line correspondingly, and you'll notice at the very bottom of those, you'll see those red and blue indicators, so that you can keep everything together when you do it. Once you get everything hooked up, you'll run the system, then we'll sync that all to the phone, we'll look on the app there, and it should tell us something about what's going on with our system. So let's hook all of that up and see what we get.
If you want to learn how to use this product, click the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest tech tips and updates on the latest how-tos.